Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. Today I actually have a kit from last year. This is the Saffron Fire Kit. I just grabbed the 4-page kit because that was the only one I actually had in stock. I was working on de-stash bags this weekend and this was like in that pile, and I saved it for this week because I figured it's kind of like a bit of a transition kit between like October and November, so it's kind of perfect for the weather as well because it is kind of hot this week anyway. I also grabbed some Simply Gilded washi. Let's focus on that. That's this one that I grabbed. This one is like a burgundy with gold foil. I don't remember when I actually purchased this, but it's been a while, so yeah. I kind of wish I had like a red washi for some reason, but that's like the only red one that I have. I actually have something similar like this, but in like a rose gold foil. Anyway, let's get started on here. I'm just gonna keep talking through. Hopefully this doesn't take me forever to edit because I always forget to edit videos. But anyway, so this week I'm actually working on a ton of things. I have the Very Merry Potter sale this week, and that starts on Friday. It's also my birthday month. My birthday is actually like next week. I also start school next week. Technically it's only classes, but it's like part-time, but nonetheless it is school. So I have to like divide my time between like the shop and school again. It's just classes so I can learn a few things, which also leads me to like my next thing that I'm doing. I have a few YouTube videos that are going to be showing up in the next couple of weeks. I think the first one might be released probably on Wednesday. I think I'm gonna try to shoot for Wednesday, and probably the next one's gonna be on like Thursday because it's kind of like a 2-parts thing, and it'll just be easier to do that. I'm not sure when the next one will be up. The series is actually going to be for Adobe programs because if you guys didn't know, I am a graphic designer. The whole reason why I'm going to school though, or taking classes, is to actually learn coding, because they don't really teach you coding in graphic design, and to like do websites I need to learn coding, and I know like the front end of like a website. I just don't really know how to like do the back end of it, which is the reason why I was looking up some classes, and it was just easier to actually enroll into a school that would actually explain it, because I was trying to do it on the internet and it was really hard. So I needed someone to explain it to me. So that is the reason why I have class starting next week. Before I look at this, I have, let's do 2 reds. I'm gonna do reds in the middle, and that way it's not like too off. But yeah, I do have school next week. I'm not really sure what the schedule is gonna be like. I just know I did extend like processing times for the shop. I extended it just 1 extra week. I extended it 1 week because I do have that sale coming on Friday, and just to make sure if I do need an extra week to complete orders, I can do that. To be honest, this week is kind of like a chill week. I've been working on, I did finish all orders from October finally. I had way too many orders that took a while to process, but they're all out right now. I think the current processing time, if you order anything this weekend, most likely it will be out this week anyway. I think I have a drop off today, and then I have a next drop off will be tomorrow, and then tomorrow Tuesday, and then the one after that will probably be either Thursday or Friday. Kind of just depends on how many orders we get done, but I think that's what we're doing. I'm doing about like 3 drop offs a week. Sometimes I do drop something off on like a Saturday, but for the most part I think we're good on the drop-off points. I've been trying to get as many orders as I need. Currently my sister is not helping me work on orders, so it's a little up in the air sometimes when I work on things. I'm gonna put this weekend banner down here, even though it's kind of like overlapping. Close enough. What else do we have? Okay, yeah, so this week again, Very Merry Potter sale, I believe that's what it's called, is on Friday. I do have new releases. I don't have the same freebies that I normally do for a sale this weekend. I'm just gonna have 1 kit and for the entire weekend. And so you have like a tiered freebie for every like $20 you spend. Normally I would change that kit, but I currently do not have time to do that. And that's what basically held up a lot of orders last month, trying to get different freebies for every person. But since I am starting school, I don't want to risk orders being held up or anything. So I am going to not do that this weekend and just give you guys a freebie kit for the entire weekend, and do the same for my birthday, which, by the way, I put up the calendar on Instagram and I sent one off in the mailing list so you guys can see like the calendar. I have $2 Tuesday on my birthday, which is on Tuesday. It's just going to be just a normal kit for that day. I think I'm going to do like a birthday kit just to kind of like celebrate for Tuesday, and then the actual sale will be Saturday. So it's not going to be on my actual birthday because my birthday falls on a Tuesday. And after that, I think, the advent calendars, or at least the 12 days of kits, actually ship. I'm going to start shipping those out the week before Thanksgiving. So the week before Black Friday, I'm going to start shipping those out. So it should take me about like a week to ship them out. I'm trying to get these out before Black Friday or like Thanksgiving. I know for international orders, they might take a little bit of time. But honestly, if you're doing the countdown to Christmas with the 12 days, you really only need them by like December, let's say December 12th, because at least that is 12 days before the 24th. We should be fine, honestly. If you're going to start on December 1st, you should still get it if you're like living in the United States. But you also have the extra couple of weeks if you do live overseas. Or you can also do that normal countdown and do the 12 days of Christmas after Christmas. So it's all up to you. Let me get back to this. I did do a lot of laundry this weekend, which is really good. So I don't have to do that this week. I do have to put that away, but that's a different thing. So I did that. I also cleaned a bunch of things. So the only thing I would have to clean would be the office. So let me do a reminder for that. Let's do the boxes. I haven't put these boxes down in a while. Let's do a quarter box. I kind of want to use this one. Let's put this for Tuesday. I can just like layer it on and then add this. Let's do this one on Wednesday. And do the same thing, just kind of like have it pull out. Let's do one more and then do that one for Friday. That should be good for the pull out. So new releases, clean the office, and then this one would probably be work on new stuff. Just to give myself a reminder for that, I'm just gonna do, actually, if the video is going up on Wednesday, I guess the computer kind of works. Let's do a weekly sidebar for Monday, and that way I can just add in like an overview of the week and do like a reminder thing. I could just do like kind of like as if it was my sidebar, since Monday is today and this video most likely will be going up tomorrow morning. I did do my nails earlier today. I'm just gonna mark that in here because I feel like it. And then I'm gonna grab the planner, and that way I can just add in change polish and then upload plan with me. And that is it for Monday. Tuesday, again, we need to clean the office and I need to work on orders and then do a little checklist. So actually, let's not do a little checklist. Let's do like a little like heart and just kind of like add that to it, so I can always just like write in what that is. And then Wednesday is just a work day. I'm gonna leave Wednesday like this because I'm not exactly sure what else I want to do for Wednesday. It's kind of like one of those things, if in case it doesn't get done before, it's gonna get done sometime in the week. It's usually a design day, but I think Wednesday is just gonna be an editing day. I'm not really sure how long that's gonna take. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be starting uploading tutorials for YouTube. If you're a shop owner and you want to learn, you know, like Adobe programs, I'm going to start doing some tutorials. So if you have any suggestions for how to do something, I can probably do a tutorial on it. The first ones that's going to go up is actually how I do my digital listings in InDesign. So actually do my listings in InDesign. It's just so much easier for me to do that, and I show you guys how I do it. But if you do have, you know, like Photoshop or the programs and you want to learn like the other ones but you don't know if you'll be able to work on it, I figured I can show you guys how I did it. First one's going to be how I do my kits, and then the next video, which will probably go up, you know, like the next day or something, how I do like my doodle listings, because that one's a little bit different. So yeah, figured I would help you guys out, and then I'll go from there. So if you have suggestions on videos or, you know, tutorials that you want to learn or something like that, I can go through those. Where was I? I keep getting sidetracked and this video is gonna be like forever long. Let's see, for Thursday, I'm just gonna do a half box. I'm actually gonna do 2 half boxes. So I'm gonna do one here at the bottom and then one at the top, because I do have homework already and school hasn't started and I wanna make sure that it gets done. Probably should have done a quarter box, but it's fine. And then let's do the little like icon laptop and just kind of like add in that to the top here. And then this one is to work. So I think what I'm gonna do for this one is just gonna add in the exclamation mark. I'm trying to figure out what else I could have done. I could have done like the paperclip. Oh well, we're good. And then just because there is space here, I'm just gonna add in the paperclip and the washi to the spaces. Give it some decoration, I guess. Let's see, for Friday though, it's just a sale. The sale I believe starts at, I think it's 9 a.m. I'll get back to you guys on that. So yeah, so check my Instagram or something for that info. I'm pretty sure it'll let you guys know when that is. So for Friday, I'm gonna do a checklist here. I'm just gonna grab one of the red ones, add that in, and then there's a little space here at the bottom. And then because we have to clean more than once a week, I'm just gonna add in like a quick reminder for cleaning. All right, and let's fill this out. So that is it for this week's time with me. Last minute I remembered that I was supposed to do, I've been trying to do at least like 2 or 3 TikTok videos a week. If you're not following me on there, you should go do that. The username is actually the shop name, which is Gabriela Elena Designs. If you want to follow my personal one, I've actually just been posting you know, besides my dog, pen suggestions, and I'm moving on to like, you know, like art supplies later, but for now I'm just gonna do pens. If you like pens and you want to know which ones I recommend or which ones I don't recommend, make sure you follow that one. It's _ Gabriela Elena, which is basically my name as well in most social media circles anyway. TikTok is mostly like more behind the scenes type of thing for the shop if you're looking. And that is it for this week's Plan With Me. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos or subscribe to the new content coming, that is it. So I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye everyone.